Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Today, we will explore the anatomy of the two bundles of the ACL in axial image anatomy. Axial and coronal sequences are best for visualizing its femoral attachment and help detect partial tears associated with the anteromedial and posterolateral bundles of the ACL. The red represents the anteromedial bundle of the ACL, and the blue represents the posterolateral bundle. In the coronal image, the anteromedial and posterolateral bundles of the ACL are clearly visible from proximal to distal. However, in the axial image, while the proximal ACL is clearly visible, the distal ACL presents challenges due to heterogeneous striations commonly of fat and synovium, usually at the tibial attachment, making accurate assessment difficult. Instead, the proximal ACL is very useful in axial images. The proximal ACL appears as an elliptical structure with homogeneous low signal intensity on axial images. This uniform appearance is indicative of the ligament's intact condition. The anteromedial bundle fibers originate from the anterior and proximal aspect of the femoral insertion, while the posterolateral bundle fibers originate from the posterolateral aspect. Therefore, the proximal anteromedial and distal posterolateral bundles are visible on the coronal image. Similarly, in the axial image, the anteromedial bundle appears first at the more proximal aspect, and a bit more distally, the posterolateral bundle begins to appear. The main fibers of the anteromedial bundle are attached anteromedially within the ACL footprint, and most of the posterolateral bundle is attached posterolaterally within the ACL footprint. As explained with the coronal image, the fluid signal should not be present in axial images within the proximal ligament fibers or in the space between an ACL and the sidewall of the lateral femoral condyle. If a fluid signal is visible here, it indicates an ACL tear. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button.